How long would it take for a £50,000 a year salary to become a millionaire? Let's have a look. Starting with a net monthly salary of £3,293, let's say we aim to invest 15% of this. This leaves us with approximately £493 a month, but let's round it up to £500 to make things easier. Now, I've chosen to invest in a global equity index fund, so we can expect roughly 8% a year return based on historical data. And we'll reinvest those profits to compound on themselves. Now, investing in a global equity fund essentially just means investing in equities. So based on this data, to reach £1 million, we would need to invest £200,000. The value of our fund would increase by £800,000, taking us to the £1 million we're looking for. So how long would this take? It would take just over 33 years to reach this milestone, which is why it is so important you start investing as quickly as you can. Which salary would you like me to do next?